Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The I'm your host P5, aka Perfectly Positioned Person, and this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. On today's episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, I'm just going to pull it from the sky. I'm going to say protect your energy. I've already said that, but if not, this is a quick one. Protect your energy. Watch who you're around. Watch what kind of things you take in, whether it be music, films, conversations. You know, yeah, just watch your energy. If you go into a place and you're sort of feeling off, discombobulated, and you know, not quite yourself, leave that place, because the energy is telling you that's not where you're supposed to be. You know what I mean? If you're around a certain group of people and you're kind of feeling a bit anxious and all of that, leave that place, because your energy is telling you you don't need to be there. So just remember, protect your energy. It's a quick one for today. Protect your energy. Stay fly, stay dope. Remember, you're special, you know what I mean? But not everyone around you is. So you got to weed out the bad, keep the good, and keep flourishing. Guys, you already know what this is. This has been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. And like I said, protect your energy. This has been Once We're Not the Same. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P5, aka P is for Profit. And yeah, you guys are dope as always. Stay dope, stay fly, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side.